To copy text from images, we have to use an app called Screenshot Go by Mozilla. So this is the app here. First thing, you have to click on the app. These are some of the images that I have text that I have on my phone. So I will select one of them to start extracting text from them. So I will choose this one right here. Okay, to start extracting text from this image right here, I'll click on this button right here. So it starts recognizing the text through optical character recognition, which is OCR. To copy specific parts of the text, click on it, then you could simply copy it from the pop-up here. To copy all the text, click on the three dots, then select all text, then you can select the text from this pop-up. So I'll simply select the text so we can copy it to wherever or wherever we need it. Another way of copying text from an image is using an online website called onenote. So we head over to onenote to try it the other way out. In your web browser, you have to go to onenote. So first you have to do is you have to upload your file. Click on select file, download, then select the image that contains the text. Okay, so you have to select the language of the text on the image, then you select the format you want it, either Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or text is a plain text. Okay, so we click on convert. So here is it. Here is our text. So I could click on it and simply copy it for our use. So that's how to copy text from an image using the online website called OCR.net. Thanks for watching.